Illuminati in the film industry. Are you Illuminati, Zach?
No.
Because the film industry is a closed book, you know, like not everyone can get in. So if I don't know how you got in and all of a sudden you're accepted.
Oh, okay. No. Can someone, no, what? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. No, but explain yourself. I don't understand what you're saying.
Zach Salad in the Illuminati.
No, but have you seen stuff about me on like
Yeah,
videos
yeah.
and stuff? Okay, talk to me. What? And I'll creatively explain to you why everything's there.
Okay.
No, because I don't.
I'm chatting absolute shit.
That's good. That's what I thought.
I try to be controversial, but obviously he's not entertaining it. But
No, in all seriousness, no, like I don't believe in the Illuminati.
I don't believe in the Illuminati. Yeah. But if the Illuminati are a bunch of
I did at one point. I believed in them back then.
No, I didn't. I feel like, people perceive the Illuminati as a bunch of rich niggas in a room with a closed door and the lights are off. Nah, the lights are not off, pause. But, you get me? So if that's the case, I'm in the Illuminati because I'm in a room full of rich niggas and we're getting this money.
Okay. No, but would you be interested?
In the Illuminati? They don't exist though.
You don't think it exists?
Freemasons exist.
Oh yeah, of course. Of course, there's Muslim Freemasons.
Yeah. But I don't get it though.
There's a lodge in Turkey.
There's a lodge in London somewhere.
Yeah, there's a lodge
Camden, I think Camden area, something like that.
I don't know how I know this. Honestly, a quick Google search. I'm joking, not
Freemason guy.
Could you imagine? If I was a Freemason, like, would you be able to tell people? It's not like you can't tell people.
I wouldn't give a shit now. Maybe I would have given a shit before, but now I'm like, yo, fuck it, man.
You're cool with it?
Now we're in the generation of like, yo,
there's no judging.
Yeah, man.
So if I said I was a Freemason, you wouldn't judge me?
No. I'd be like, get this money.
So why did you associate that there's money involved in being a Freemason?
What's the other reason? Why would you do it? Give me another reason why you would do it.
I don't know, like a sense of brotherhood, a sense of
brotherhood, no. See when people say shit like that, you know when people say, yo, I joined the Freemasons for a sense of brotherhood, I feel like slapping him. Because that don't make sense.
Joined a fraternity.
Do you know what I mean? Like, brotherhood's like, you know what I mean? You're in the biggest brotherhood, you know what I mean? You're Muslim, you're part of the Ummah kind of thing.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
okay.
So if you're talking brotherhood,
so you don't need
go mosque, Friday prayer.
Got you.
So
do
like me...
Do you find in prayer things?
Yeah, so I'm saying,
afterwards.
Freemasons or whatever, if someone joins that, for me is to like better themselves in terms of finance and whatnot.
You think it's money?
I think it's money. 110% is money.
Damn. At least it's not Scientology. Scientology.
Nothing else. Like trust me, yeah, it has to be money because money's the only thing that can like put an Asian guy, white guy, black guy, a Jewish guy in one room.
Okay.
That's only money can do that. You know what I mean? Religion can't do that. No,
okay.
Can't do that.
But okay, so you said it's not a religious thing; it's a community based.
It's not a religious thing. 100% is not a religious thing. It's a community thing.
Sick. Yeah. So what you doing? You would. No, honestly, if you do it, I'll do it.
You see this guy?
See this
guy? Oh my days.
If you join the Illuminati, I'll join the Illuminati.
No, you join. I see how it goes for you, and then I'll join.
You join the Illuminati, and then I'll enjoy the Illuminati. I'm actually serious.
I say, put the cap back. He's dead serious.
He's
dead serious.
No, you go first, and then we'll go.
Listen.
No, but seriously, yeah, fuck that.
It's shady though. But no, like no one can deny that it's a shady.
I don't want no MK Ultra like freaking spaz out like no.
I've watched some documentaries though. They do be killing people on the low and that.
Bruh.
I'm saying Donald Trump became president.
We're not talking about Kanye West. We're talking about Zach Salad.
Zach Salad.
I don't mean to interrupt Kanye West, but yeah.
Creative director.
Yeah, so I'm creative director in the industry. I'm Somali, and I'm not in the Illuminati yet. Until Matic gets in, and then he calls me and says, "I know this guy. His name's Zach. He's sick." And then still cut, man. So you know. Look at you, lonely pirate. You guys have like one eye covered in your. I see you. Wow,
you really trying to play us like that?
The lonely pirate.
Man said we had one eye covered on the logo. That's like, wow. You know what I mean? You're trying to set this
No, I'm just
up.
saying, if you're coming for me, I'm coming for you.
I ain't coming for you. Nah, listen, this guy clean.
Clean, okay.
Listen, but